The Bay Body Eye Gel quickly reduces puffiness, dark circles, crow's feet, eye bags, and fine lines. This not only moisturizes and hydrates, but it helps give you that brighter, younger complexion that we all crave. It has hyaluronic acid, which we all know is a plumper, vitamin E, which strengthens against sun damage. So with this, all you have to do is hit once, and it dispenses the exact amount you need for underneath your eyes. After that, you want to go in with your ring fingers and just lightly go underneath and pat. A lot of people, what they tend to do is go directly under the eyes and they start rubbing and get really aggressive. That's not necessary for an eye cream. It'll spread by itself. What I also love about this is you can use this under makeup, which a lot of eye creams you can. It'll ball up or it'll start to get sticky or tacky. With this, it goes smoothly underneath and there's no signs of the eye cream. Another fun little tip is that you can use it for anywhere you need that light hydration, on the forehead, on the lips, just anywhere where you're looking for that little oomph and that little plumping action.
Hey Style Code, my name is Alana and I am from the YouTube channel Alanarama, and today I wanted to talk to you about one of my all-time favorite products, which is from Skin Iceland, and they are the Hydra Cool Firming Eye Gels. This package comes with 8 pairs of the eye gels, which makes this package a lot more affordable than a lot of the eye gels on the market. So these are the individual packets here, and you open it up and there are 2 under eye patches that you place onto clean skin. You leave it on for about 10 minutes and it leaves your under eye so hydrated, so refreshed. They have a lot of amazing like anti-aging, firming, hydrating, cooling, all of the above ingredients in there to help the overall appearance and livelihood of your under eyes. Overall, if you're looking for an amazing under eye product to apply underneath your eyes and help out that entire area, the Skin Iceland ones are amazing and definitely my top pick for the under eye gels that are out there in the world, and you can find them on Amazon.com, and that is the product that I wanted to share with you guys.